In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PowerPoint presentation. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, you'll want to open your PowerPoint presentation. This is the file you wish to download to your device, so make sure it's ready to go. Once that's complete, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down list of options related to your presentation. Next, you'll want to look for and select either the Download or Save as option from this menu. This step is crucial as it allows you to choose how you want to save your presentation. From here, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred file format. Whether you want to save it as a PowerPoint file, a PDF, or another format, make your selection and initiate the download process. With that out of the way, your download will begin. Once the download is complete, your presentation will be saved directly to your device, ready for you to access anytime. And that's how to download a PowerPoint presentation.